In this question, we're given a savings account example, and the question states that a savings account pays 3% per year. How much interest will $3,500 invested in such an account earn within a year? So we're going to use the simple interest formula, which is I is equal to the principal times the rate times the time. And we're going to substitute the principal for $3,500. We're going to substitute the rate for 3%. But remember, when we use percentages in our calculation, we must convert the percentages to decimals. Therefore, we'll simply remove the percent symbol. We'll move the decimal 2 places to the left. So we have 3% in decimal form as 0.03. And our time, which is in years, is 1 year. So we're going to write this out as 3,500 times 3%, which is 0.03, times the year, which is 1, and we have the interest in the account after 1 year would be $105. We're given another savings account example. How much simple interest is earned on $7,000 if it is invested at 1 year at 2%? So again, we're going to use the simple interest formula. I is equal to the principal times the rate times the time. We're going to substitute in the principal in as $7,000. We're going to substitute in the rate as 2%. So here again, we must convert 2% to a decimal. So we're going to drop the percent symbol and move the decimal 2 places to the left. So we have 2% is 0.02 as a decimal. And our time is 1 year. So the simple interest is going to equal to 7,000 times 2% at 1 year. Once we multiply all 3 of these items together, we have that the simple interest accumulated in the account would be $140.